So you had Jira software as an organization, and you were using another product for service management. You realized you wanted to bring more simplicity into your workflows, and so that was the start of Jira Service Management being introduced. Rachid, give me some examples of why that was important, because when we spoke earlier, you highlighted one of the powerful impacts of bringing your development team and your IT teams closer together. But walk us through maybe some of the benefits that you realized.
Honestly, there are various benefits. First of all, just in terms of costs. I mean, we reduced the cost by switching from ServiceNow to Jira Service Management by 70% for the first year, and started following the second. I mean, you know how it goes with you guys. I mean, the second year is 50% of the license. So, and then for the following years, it's going to be like 82.5% of cost. But this you can measure it just with, of course, license fees. What really was the big impact, and what is the big impact, is the production of everyone. Because for this huge project rollout, we had to deal with, how can I say, using emails and phones, you know, to log in Jira projects, issues related to the rollout. With Jira Service Management getting the game, I mean, everything started to flow because, as you know, Jira Service Management is based on the same technical architecture than Jira, of course. So you could link projects between them, you could use dashboards, etc. So you have really this high-level cockpit dealing with how can I say, the rollout of the project, and this helped a lot. I have another example from the technical side, of course, because you know, in the IT department, we have, of course, the ops that are taking care. They're like the babysitters of our whole environments, especially production environments. So they have very, very high level, how can I say, of requirements. So basically, we set up with them some web services, automatic web services, and the issues are automatically logged within Jira Service Management. And with the time difference, our offshore teams, they could, you know, handle and take care of these issues. So, and everything is going smoothly. I mean,